Describe a popular famous person in your country. Who this person is. What he or she is like. Why do you think this person is popular? How this person influences the public. Well, there are many famous personalities which I admire. However, today I am going to talk about Diljit Dosanjh, a renowned Punjabi singer, actor, and television presenter from India. He is widely recognized for his contributions to Punjabi cinema and has gained immense popularity not only in India, but also around the world. He is known for his down-to-earth and humble nature. Diljit is often described as a versatile artist who effortlessly transitions between different genres, whether it's acting in films, singing soulful melodies, or delivering energetic Bhangra tracks. He has a charming personality and also wears turban that has earned him a massive following. If I talk about his physique, he is not too tall, yet still he looks handsome. He is kind of person who likes to wear trendy clothes, or I can say he is a trendsetter and a lot of people try to copy his style. One of the reasons why Diljit Dosanjh is popular is his ability to connect with the masses. He sings about love, friendship, and the joys and struggles of everyday life. His songs have catchy beats and meaningful lyrics, which have made him a favorite among music lovers. He has also performed in Coachella, a very popular music contest held in California. Additionally, Diljit's acting skills have been praised for his ability to portray diverse characters with depth and authenticity. Diljit Dosanjh has a significant influence on the public, especially the Punjabi community. He is seen as a cultural icon who represents the Punjabi heritage and values. Moreover, Diljit actively engages with his fans through social media platforms, sharing his thoughts, experiences, and promoting positive messages. His philanthropic work, including supporting charitable causes and helping those in need, has further endeared him to the public. So this is a personality which I like the most and consider him my role model. Do you think media is putting too much attention on famous people? Yes, I believe that media often puts too much attention on famous people. The constant coverage and obsession with their personal lives can overshadow more important issues and events happening in the world. This excessive focus on celebrities can lead to a skewed sense of priorities and a culture of idolization. It's crucial for media to strike a balance by giving adequate coverage to a diverse range of topics and stories that have a broader societal impact. Do you think famous people are necessarily good in their fields? No, being famous does not necessarily mean that a person is good in their field. Fame can come from various factors such as marketing, charisma, or controversy, which may overshadow actual talent or skill. Genuine expertise and success in a field require consistent effort, dedication, and the ability to deliver better results. People are also becoming famous by creating content on social media websites, even they are not that much talented. Q3. What are the differences between famous people today and those in the past? One key difference between famous people today and those in the past is the proliferation of technology and social media. Today's famous individuals have instant access to a global audience through platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, allowing them to shape their personal brand and connect directly with fans. Additionally, in past people had to struggle for years to become famous. Also, they did not have that much fans in comparison with the people who are famous today. Q4. What kinds of famous people are there in your country? In my country, there are various kinds of famous people who have made significant contributions in different fields. We have renowned actors and actresses who have achieved global recognition for their talent. We take pride in our accomplished athletes who have excelled in sports and brought honor to our nation through their remarkable achievements. Additionally, there are politicians, writers, scientists, and artists who have made notable contributions to their respective domains and have gained recognition both within the country and beyond. Some kids may be popular at school due to their outgoing and confident personalities, which attract others and make them feel comfortable in their presence. Additionally, popular kids often possess good social skills, such as effective communication and empathy, allowing them to build strong relationships with their peers. Finally, physical appearance and conforming to societal standards of attractiveness can sometimes play a role in popularity, although this varies across different school environments. Is being a good actor or actress a good career? Yes, being a good actor or actress can indeed be a fulfilling and rewarding career choice. It offers the opportunity for creative expression and the chance to bring compelling stories to life. A successful acting career can provide fame, recognition, and financial stability. However, it is a highly competitive field that requires perseverance, dedication, and continuous skill development.